Hello student, today we continue with exercise 17.3 with question number C, that is fill in the blanks. There are dash degrees in right angle. So we know that right angle is of 90 degree. So write your answer 90. An angle which is more than 90 but less than 80, then it is called obtuse angle. So our answer will be obtuse. A dash is used to measure angle. What we use to measure angle? We use a protractor. A dash angle is less than 90. Which angle is less than 90? It's a acute angle. And an angle which is 360, it is also known as whole angle. And a 180 angle is also called a straight line. 180 angle is also called a straight angle, not a line, sorry. It's called straight angle. So this is the completion of your 17.3. Today we start with a new topic, that is type of angles. What is type of angles? We have already learned about different types of angles. Now we will learn few more types of angles. So first we are going to learn is adjacent angle. So what do you mean by adjacent angle? Two angles which lie side by side and have a common vertex and a common arm, then it is called adjacent angle. This is the definition of your adjacent angle. Mark it down, student, and write it in your notebook. Right? So this is the figure of adjacent angle. When two angles, so this is a two angle, see. Angle A, O and B, this is the first angle. The second angle is B, O, C. Right? It has a common vertex. We all know that is the common vertex. Both have a common vertex and a common arm. This is the arm. This is a common between angle AOC. Right? This is a common between AOB and BOC. So this is a common arm. Then this type of angles are called adjacent angle. ये दोनों बाजू बाजू में है, then they are called adjacent angle. So they have written that angle AOB and BOC are adjacent angle. They have a common vertex O. So this is a common vertex O, right? And a common arm. Which is the common arm? The common arm is OB. ये जो है वो क्या हो गया? Common है दोनों के बीच में, OB. Right? Now we go for vertically opposite angle. What is vertically opposite angle? When two lines intersects, two pair of vertical opposite angles are formed. Line AB and line CD intersects to O. So there are two lines. One is line AB and second line CD. They intersect. दोनों एक जगह पे मिलती है. This point, that is your O. Now, angle AOC. Now we know that angle AOC. This angle, right? And angle BOD. That is BOD. This angle. Getting? Now are one pair of vertical opposite angle. So ये दोनों जो है ये angle और ये angle, they are vertically opposite to each other. आमने सामने. Opposite मतलब के आमने सामने. So they are vertically opposite to each other. And angle BOC is vertically opposite to angle which? Angle AOD. Angle AOD. The other pair are vertically opposite angle. Right? So we always know that this is very important line, that vertically opposite angles are always equal. मतलब के AOC is always equals to BOD. These both are same. Okay. Now, why are vertically opposite angles are equal? If you look to the figure carefully, we can see that COD is 180 because it is a straight line. And also angle AOB is 180 as it is also a straight line. So COD is also 180 angle and angle AOB is also 180 as they both are straight line, right? So we can write that AOC is equals to BOD. ये दोनों same है. And we can say that BOC is equals to AOD. These both are same. Now we go for the supplementary angle. When the sum of two angles are 180, then they are called supplementary angle. This is the definition of your supplementary angle. What is supplementary angle? When the sum of the two angles is 180, then they are called supplementary angle. Now see this figure. Now this is a line, here one angle is formed. The angle is BOC. BOC is what? 60. And angle COA, what is? 120. So 120 plus 60, what will be the total? The total will be 180. So when the two angle gets sum up, when we add this two angle and its total is 180, then they are called supplementary angle. Now we are going for the complementary angle. So what is a complementary angles? When the sum of two angle is 90, then they are called complementary angles. So दो एंगल को ऐड करते हैं, सम करते हैं और दोनों को ऐड करके we get 90, then it is called a complementary angle. For example, we take this, right? Now this is PQR, right? This is angle PQR. So first we take PQS. What is PQS? PQS is how much? 40 degree, right? And angle SQR. SQR is how much? 80. Now add 40 plus 50. 40 plus 50. What will be the total? The total will be 90. The total will be 90. So when the sum of the two angle is 90, then it is called a complementary angle. Now we are going to discuss with the exercise number 17.4, right? So what is 17.4? Which of this following pair of the angles are supplementary? So we already discussed that in supplementary two angles total should be what? 180. And if it is 180, then we can say it is a supplementary angle. So we will add this two number. 150 angle plus 65. The total is 180. So this is a supplementary angle. Now 124 plus 66. So add this. If we add this, we get what? 190. So it is not a supplementary angle, right? 59 plus 111. Add this, what is the total? The total is 170. So we can say that again, this is not a supplementary angle. Now 90 plus 90. 90 plus 90, what it becomes? 180. 180. If it is the total of two angle is 180, then it is a supplementary angle. So we can say that is a supplementary angle. 87 plus 93. Add this. If we are adding, we are getting the total of 180. So again we can say that this is a supplementary. The pair of the angles are supplementary. The pair of this angle is supplementary. Now 76 plus 84. It is 160. So this is not a supplementary angle. Now we go for the fill in the blanks. The fill in the blanks are the two angles which have common arms are called adjacent angle, right? The two angles whose sum is dash is called supplementary. Now we discuss whose sum is 180 is called supplementary angle. The complementary angles of 65 is how we will do? We know that in complementary angle the sum should be what? Two angles sum will be 90. So 90 minus 65. 90 minus 65. What will be the answer? 25. So other angle is of 25 degree. Right? Now vertical angles are equal. Here only we have discussed the vertically opposite angles are equal. Right? Then two angles whose sum is 90, it is called a complementary angle. We already know here in the definition that the sum of the two angles is 90, then they are called complementary angle. Now, the last question, that is the supplementary angle is 138. The supplementary angle is what? 138. So what we will do? We know that the sum of supplementary angle is 180. So from 180 you minus what? 138. If we subtract 1 from 138, what will be the answer? 42. So our answer will be 42 degree. So dear students, this is the completion of your chapter number 70. Write it in your notebook. Thank you children.